Today's Tuesday. We're just under 7 weeks to the fight. And so he sparred 5 rounds today, and then he's going and grappling for an hour afterwards. So really the goal at this point of camp is we're in the endurance stage. So it's putting ourselves in bad positions, giving up your back, having to fight the hands. So it's more of like a grueling type of workout. From that, you're always in bad position. So we're giving up takedowns at certain points just to be able to fight out of those positions. And I think that's just the reason why I do this is I want to really keep it fresh throughout the whole camp. Is if we do get put in those positions, we need to know what we're doing. So, and it's all about that repetition. As we start to get closer to the fight, obviously we're not going to be giving up the takedowns and stuff like that. But yeah, it's just about getting in shape right now and just kind of breaking that body in so then we're ready to peak.